Good medical morning. Meet Ames with glitter. We'll call her Amy. Amy appears to have cystic acne. We'll show you her popping videos in a moment. She wants your advice. She says, I've tried basically all creams and medicine short of Accutane, which I can't take for medical reasons. Advice, please. And she says this has been giving her headaches, so it really helps that it finally popped. She says it was horribly painful and like the size of a quarter. And here is her most recent cyst from Reddit. She continues, you have no idea how desperate people get to solve their acne. When I'm particularly broken out, I get nervous talking to people just waiting for their eyes to divert from my face to my zits. Leave her your well wishes, opinions, and comments. Remember, she's a real person, so keep it civil, no trolling. Thanks. Hey folks. If you want to whiten your teeth, but want something convenient, gentle, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg, then check out these whitening pens. They make a perfect gift. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below.